Hello, Cardano followers. Welcome to our humble abode. Crypto Channel. If you are interested in knowing what Cardano is up to these days, you have landed in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a like and share. Let us quickly go over some of the basic things that you need to know to process the information thoroughly. Cardano already has an excellent year-to-date return. It is almost up by 700% year-to-date, from $17.54 per token. This makes Cardano the best-performing cryptocurrencies this year. What is Cardano? Many of you may have heard about Cardano, which is a blockchain platform that competes with other cryptocurrencies, such as Ethereum, Bitcoin, and other smart contract platforms. Unlike Bitcoin, Cardano does not use any validation system, which ideally requires hash mining and a proof of work or simply a POW system to reward validators. Just like Ethereum, Cardano uses a POS, or Power of Stake blockchain validation system. They commonly call the system Ouroboros. Preferring POS over a POW validation systems comes with a lot of advantages. For example, the POS system does not require the heavy use of electricity that a POW system demands. Cardano is right on the edge of launching its next phase of software development, called the ALONZO testnet. This rollout is actually the terminating part of the third developmental phase called the Gogoin phase. The Gogoin phase will help issue smart contracts and native blockchains. Even though many of you might not know this, the Gogoin phase is actually named after a famous American computer scientist, Joseph Gogoin. What are smart contracts? Smart contracts are basically software-coded apps built on a blockchain platform where there is no company keeping the information you enter or provide to the app. The decentralized blockchain keeps the information, which is why they are often called dApps, or decentralized applications. The ALONZO introduction of smart contracts is expected to start any time during the next month of 2021. Think of Cardano as a platform where people can build applications that address a whole host of issues, from preventing counterfeit medicines to enabling access to microfinance. They have a strong team that backs Cardano and has already been successful at what they are doing. The project in Ethiopia is an impressive yet undeniably real-time utilization of blockchain technology. Ultimately, everybody has a different financial situation, risk tolerance, as well as investment strategy. Cardano still has a long way to go before becoming as widespread and popular as Bitcoin. This brings its set of pros and cons, and therefore, it is best if you balance those out and weigh them against your needs. Only invest the money you can afford to lose, and try to even out the risky nature of crypto investment. Educate and update yourself with educational portals about cryptocurrency. Price updates. The live Cardano price today is $1.22, with a 24-hour trading volume of $1,601,863,611.43. The current coin market cap is ranked at 5th position, with a live market cap of $39,053,800,521. Currently, it has a circulating supply of 32.04 billion ADA coins and a max supply of 45 billion coins. The year-to-date Bitcoin and Ethereum have returned more than 80 and 273 respectively. Their market caps are over $990 billion and $315 billion respectively. As you all know, ADA is the next favorite on the list of Wall Street. So those who wonder how some other Wall Street favorites have done so far this year would be interested to hear the following numbers. Apple is up by about 3% year-to-date, with a market cap of $2.2 trillion. General Motors, on the other hand, is up by about 34.5% year-to-date, with a market cap of approximately $80.7 billion. Microsoft, too, is up by 13% year-to-date, with a market cap of $1.5 trillion. And Nvidia is up by 16% year-to-date, with a market cap of $376 billion. Given the juicy returns of altcoins, Crypto bulls now wonder if the run-up in Cardano can continue for the rest of the year. Interested crypto investors should remember that the crypto space is highly volatile, especially in the short run. However, we believe that the long-term bull run in Cardano is still in the early days. Thus, ADA's market cap should reach new heights soon. Leadership in altcoin space is likely to alternate between different names. With respect to the interest in the technology offered by the platform, we expect the price of Cardano to be bullish, at least for the short term. The current momentum could easily push ADA over $1.50 or even higher. But we never know, do we? Crypto space is risky, as the technology is still in its early budding days. Integration into the mainstream will take time and money. Interested investors should regularly see the price of Cardano with the motivation towards buying the dips. They should be able to hold ADA for the long, without worrying too much about the same weekly price swings. A new blockchain and assets class are the potential providers that can increase opportunities for buy and hold investors. This is a regular reminder that investment firm GRAYSCALE has also launched Cardano ADA to its large cap fund, giving it a notable weightage compared to the rest of the coins in the fund beyond Bitcoin and Ether. The majority of the fund is invested in Bitcoin, 67.47%, and Ether, 25.39%. When combined, they share a humongous 93% of the funding. The funding now has a 4.26% weightage to ADA, which means that the majority consists of the remaining allocations. The purpose of the GRAYSCALE fund is to allow exposure for the investors to cryptocurrencies that have the largest market caps over time. The same is addressed quarterly with respect to adding or deducting coins, but weightages are changed on a daily basis. GRAYSCALE is a crypto management fund. It also provides trust for a variety of cryptocurrencies, but till now, its largest funds are taken up by Bitcoin and Ether. While some saw great new heights, others have recently been hit by the rise of rival products. With the GRAYSCALE Bitcoin Trust, GBTC, currently running at a negative 9.5% discount, this has caused the amount of new money to dry up. The world of cryptocurrencies is not regulated by the European Union, since it is a relatively novel market that is not old enough to distinctly establish the trend that follows. There is no denying that crypto assets have become one of the most attractive options for investors, especially options like Cardano, a blockchain developed by Input Output Hong Kong, IOHK, that has managed to attract much interest. Cardano was born relatively recently, that is, in the year 2017. Since then, it has not stopped rising and gaining new heights in the world of cryptocurrencies. Perhaps this has been influenced by the fact that it appeared during the Great Bull Run, experienced by the crypto assets at the end of last year and at the beginning of this year. Beginning of this year, ADA has won in the classification of digital tokens and is ranked at the top 10 positions with respect to market capitalization. We know that Cardano has become the most exciting cryptocurrency, which now eToro puts within reach of its users, who can invest it both short and long term, as the social trading platform says that the investment history of cryptocurrencies is less than 5 years old and may not be able to take it as a basis in an investment decision. What about the future? Now let's discuss what the crypto analysts have to say about Cardano. According to Coin Codex Technical, analysis shows that short-term market sentiment on ADA is going to be bearish. 17 indicators give bearish signals compared with 11 bullish indicators. But the long-term price predictions from the algorithm-based forecasting site Wallet Investor projects the price will move back above $2 by the beginning of next month. We hope this video will prove to be informative for you, and come back for more. If you don't want to miss out on important information about everything that is happening in the world of cryptocurrency, like and subscribe to this channel and whack that bell icon. We will see you soon. Until then, ciao!